Assalamu alaikum everyone, and I'm just going to discuss briefly what we have done in our live lectures today. So here children, we have done page number 153. Here you can see this is 153, and we have seen that when Natalia asked Lumo that what are his plannings for after the harvesting is over, isn't he planning for going on shooting? So Lumo says that yes, he's definitely planning for going out for hunting, and but he will be doing this after the harvesting season. And Natalia says all these things so as to change the topic of the oxen meadows, that they were fighting on, and just to change the scenario so that Lomo comes up with some ideas about proposal of marriages. And she was waiting for Lomo to present the proposal of marriage. So Natalia, Lomo starts talking and he forgets what has happened, and Lomo tries to share his things going on in his life, and he very sadly informs her that his dog, whose name is Guess, has become lame. Now lame means one who finds difficulty in walking, maybe due to some injury or illness in leg, lame. So Lomo says that his dog Guess has become lame, and at that Natalia shows her surprise. Even she asked for the reason how it has become lame. Lomo says that he doesn't know the reason, but he says that that may be due to a dog bite. Maybe some other dogs must have bitten, not beaten, bitten, B-I-T-T-E-N, bitten, cut liya hoga, या maybe his leg has got twisted by itself. Lomo, I don't know, must have got his leg twisted or bitten by some other dog. Maybe my very best dog. To say nothing of the expense, I gave him 125 rupees for him. So here he says that Guess was his best dog, and he has paid 125 rupees for buying Guess, and he has purchased this dog from Mirono, M-I-R-O-N-O-V. Mirono is the person from whom he has purchased. He says that that was the expensive dog, but he managed to get it on from Mirono for 125 rupees, and he says that that was his best dog because it is of good breed. Natalia, it was too much, Ivan Vasilovich. Now Natalia doesn't agree that Guess is that good so that one can pay 125 rupees. So she meant here that he has paid a huge amount for Guess, although it doesn't deserve to be given that much amount. Lomo, I think it was very cheap. He's a first-rate dog. Lomo disagrees, and he says that he feels that Guess is a very high-rate breed dog, and it people get it for more expensive, but he has got Guess at a reasonable price, and he says that it is very cheap. These dogs are bought for a higher amount. Natalia, Papa gave 85 rubles for his squeezer, and squeezer is hips better than Guess. So Natalia says that my father also has a dog and his name is Squeezer, and my father, who's Natalia's father, Shubuko. She says that Shubuko has bought Squeezer for only 85 rubles. Now here the comparison between the two dogs started. Natalia says Squeezer is better, far better than Guess, and Lomo says Guess is a hybrid and there's no other breed like that. So he found, he has given 120. So prices are also discussed. 85 rubles for Squeezer and 125 for Guess. Lomo, Squeezer better than Guess? What an idea! And he laughs. Squeezer better than Guess. So he tries to outshine Natalia. उसे बेहतर दिखने के लिए उसका हंस के मजाक उड़ाया जाता है. He tries to make fun of by laughing. Natalia, of course, he's better. Of course, Squeezer is young. He may develop a bit, but on points and pedigree, he is better than anything that even Volshansky has got. So Natalia assures that our Squeezer is far better than even Wolshansky. Wolshansky is the first breed dog, right? First top qualities of dog, top breed of dog. So she says that when it comes to points and pedigree, points means the qualities, pedigrees means parental history. That means when it comes to points, qualities, he has a lot of qualities, is good sniffer, good runner, maybe many things that one tries to find out in a dog. Then she says that on pedigree also he is best, even better than Wolshansky. So pedigree means his Squeezer's parents are also good breed dog. Lomo, excuse me, Natalia Stepanova, but you forget that he is overshot, and an overshot always means that the dog is a bad hunter. So here Lomo tries to tell her that he tries to pull out one of the point that he feels that Squeezer is lacking in, and he says that Squeezer is एन ओवरशॉट डॉग. ओवरशॉट का मतलब होता है अपर जॉ जो है वो बड़ी होना और लोअर जॉ छोटी होना. नाउ दिस इज टेकन एज अ ड्रॉबैक. ये कमी की तरह देखा जाता है किसी भी डॉग में, बिकॉज अगर अपर जॉ लॉन्गर है और लोअर जॉ छोटा है जॉ, ओके, तो क्या होगा, उसका जो ग्रिप होगा, होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी होगा, दैट वुड बी लेस. तो ही वोंट बी अ good hunter, right? He cannot go for good hunter. You know, it can be good at following you. आप जहाँ चल रहे हैं आपके पीछे पीछे वो चल रहा है, इस तरीके से होगा. So Lomo points out that, and he says that here, excuse me, Natalia Stepanova, but you forget that he is overshot, and an overshot dog is never a good hunter, है ना? So an overshot always means the dog is a bad hunter. Natalia overshot. Natalia says overshot is he. The first time I heard it, she says that nobody so far had told me that he is an overshot dog. Lomo, I assured you that his lower jaw is shorter than the upper, but you know Lomo is stick to his point and he says that yes, he is an overshot dog. Lomo, yes, he is all right at the following, of course, but if you want to get hold of anything, now here he stops. Dots दिए हैं यहाँ पे. According to लोगों को सिर्फ फॉलो करने में अच्छा है, बट अगर कुछ चीज पकड़ने के लिए दी जाए, या you know, if something is given for holding or for hunting, he cannot hold it. So here he left his sentence incomplete, so that Natalia should understand herself. Natalia, in the first place, Natalia gets angry and she says that पहली बात सुनिए. First place, our Squeezer is thoroughbred. Thoroughbred means pure breed animal. The son of harness and choosers. So harness and choosers are from same breed. So that means it is a pure breed dog and it is not a mixed breed. He is old and as ugly as a worn out cab horse. So she says, she calls Guess as an ugly, old and a worn out cab horse, right? The horse, you know, the cab horses are not in demand. They are completely lifeless and tired and ugly looking. So she compares Guess with a worn out cab horse. Lomo, he is old, but I will take 5 Squeezers for him. Now their argument starts and it starts increasing more and more. And here Lomo says that if somebody would give me 5 Squeezers for one guess, I won't take up the deal. That means my guess is better than 5 Squeezers altogether. And here Natalia says that there's something wrong with you today, because you are not able to take proper judgments. You are always fighting for a wrong cause. Because you know why she is tolerating all these things? Because she knows that he has come with a marriage proposal. So she called him back. Either, you know, she was not ready to accept what he was saying today. So she, you know, shows her disagreement with what he is talking. And Natalia says that first you fought with me for Oxen Meadows and now you are fighting for Guess being better than Squeezer, which is not right. So this is how the fight is still going on. We'll see in the next video whether there is going to be a marriage proposal or not, or still the fight continues. Take care of your health and read page number 153 today. Thank you. Have a great day.